Man kuntu Mawla Fahaza Aliyun Mawla. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatima Naqvi. I wish you all a very happy Eid-e-Gadir. Today is a very special day and today I am here to celebrate with you Eid-e-Gadir. So let us begin this special day with a special story. Let me share with you the story of a young teenage, how he spent his life with the balance of the preparation of Imam-e-Zamana. So let me show you his life, the way he's setting his goals, the way he's preparing every day a task to meet his Imam of the Waqt. Let us look at his life and learn how to set our goals in our day-to-day life. So let us begin. Let us talk about his life. What skills does he use every day? What kind of virtues he follows every day? So let's see. He is a very kind person. He likes to share. He likes to help other people. Right? Also, he loves to share his responsibility with his community. He is a very accountable person. So here you see, he is so able, he is so compassionate to work for his community as well as he is proactive in his everyday life. So do you know what is the motivation behind all of his success in his life? Let us see the motivation, the powerful motivation. What is that thing which helps him to achieve his everyday goals? Let us see, let us go to his house and check what kinds of things does he follow? What is his timetable? How is he able to manage his time? What is his schedule for his education? What are his goals for his life? So let us go to his room and check. So you see, Eid-e-Gadir is a very special day. Now, what was Eid-e-Gadir? Eid-e-Gadir was the output of Imam Ali, his achievements, his wilaya. But in today's time, Imam-e-Zamana is the outcome. So you see, output was Imam Ali, and in today's time, Imam-e-Zamana is the outcome of everything. So don't you think we need to get ready to show him evidences, to show him what are we, to show him how we are there to help him, so that our Imam's expectations are not to be fallen. Because he knew by becoming doctors, by becoming engineers, by becoming such good great personalities who are the contributors to our society. Imam-e-Zamana is the outcome. Imam-e-Zamana is the Imam of our times. He is there. He is looking at us every day. So what special deeds are we doing for him? What kind of preparation are we doing for our Imam? What kind of things are we doing to help him? So when you saw in his room, what did you see in the boys' room? You saw the posters of Imam-e-Zamana where he say, my Imam is going to come on Friday. So every day he is reminding himself that Imam is going to arrive on one fine Friday. So are we ready to deal with that? Are we ready to show up? What kind of deeds are we doing every day? Just one deed to represent ourselves, to represent our character. What kind of one deed are we doing to help him? So think about that. So the first poster was about Imam is going to come on Friday. Now the second poster was about Imam Mehdi is going to come. And the third poster was about his timetable, balancing his education, preparing for Imam-e-Zamana. So you see, he's not wasting his time. Every minute he's working hard. His timetable is set to achieve his goal. So why don't you also try to make a timetable of your own so that you can be successful in your life. The life of this young man represents how time management is so important in our life. How to be self-persistent, how to help others, what are the responsibility of us towards our community, what kind of accountability does he has. So you see, there are so many important factors wherein our Imam is expecting from us. So we need to implement all these things in our life. Last but not the least, love and respect for our elders. So Loving our parents, loving our environment, appreciating our community's hard work is also a very important part of our personality. Respecting others, respecting yourself, being persistent, all these natural virtues play a very important role in our life. So, so on this special day, let us promise ourselves, let us be proactive and make a timetable, make a goal setting chart to achieve your goals, to be successful in your life, to face our Imam, to show him our face what kind of responsibilities do we have. So you need to prepare a poster of Imam that should be pasted on your wall so that every day morning you get up, you get motivated to do your work, you get motivated to use your time wisely. So the first thing you need to do is prepare your timetable, your study timetable, your school timetable and your day-to-day timetable. That should be in one timetable. Your time should be connected to your activities. Second important thing, prepare a poster. A poster which says about, which shout out about Imam, when Imam is going to come. What kind of, so after the poster, the third responsibility is to do every day one good deed, which makes our Imam happy. So let us end this video here and I wish you all the very best for your future and don't forget to prepare your goals.